Brahmaji lives for 100 years. Each year has 360 days, and one day and night combined is called Ahoratra. One day of Brahmaji, there are 14 segments, so 14 manu hote, and the distance between two manus is called Manvantar. Okay, so we are in the reign of 7th Manu, so we are at high noon. And the name of the Manu is Vivaswat. He is the son of Vivaswan. And with each Manu comes new Saptarshi, new Indra, new Devata, new Saptarshi. So the reign of each Manu consists of 72 Mahayug. Each Mahayug has Satya, Treta, Dwapar and Kali. At the end of Kali Yuga, there is a naturally occurring upheaval, and that destroys the majority of the population. So when that happens, again the Satyug begins. So the Dharma declines by 25% at the end of Satyug. Come Treta Yuga, those who gave up Dharma, they became the bullies. Rishis created Rajan Sadhya. Sadhya means the noun, Rajan. Or those who were physically strong, active and 100% embodiment of dharma. इसलिए भगवान के हाथ में जो दंड है, कोदंड पानी, तो वो धर्म का दंड है. So these were the people who were chosen to take care of people, defend the society. So dharma declines to another 25% from 75 to 50. Then Dwapar Yuga begins. And it goes down to 25%. So Bhagwan ka pura attahas, his insistence was to Yugya Yuge Dharmasya Glanir Bhavati Bharatam. That's the time I am born to uplift the Dharma, bring Dharma back up. So that was Bhagwan's charter. And so with the passing of Bhagwan, the Kali Yuga began. Dr. Narhari Achar, using 12 astronomical conditions given in Mahabharata. He has put the Mahabharata at 3112 BC. और वहाँ से, so approximately 3100 BC, भगवान का निर्माण होता है और वहाँ से कलयुग शुरू होता है. So कलयुग starts with 25% of dharma and it declines down to 0%.